how to use the Butler automation feature in Trello. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can use the Butler automation feature in Trello. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your Trello account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to your own page, you'll see different things, the recent stuff or the recent things that you've done on your Trello account in here. You'll see all of them here. Now, as you can see that the next step or the next thing to note is that the Butler feature in Trello is a powerful automation tool that helps you streamline your workflow by automating tasks within your bots. And the first step is to create rules or use buttons or set up commands and integrate apps. All of these options that I've mentioned are parts of the Butler feature. So, for example, if you want to use buttons, the first step is to move to the left side of the screen and then click on But. And after clicking on But, you'll be directed to your Bots page. On this page, the next step is to select the bot that you would like to use the Butler feature for. So after selecting the board and you're on this board page, the next step is to select the card that you'd like to use this feature for. Then the next step is to scroll down and move to the left side. Now this option that you can see add button is an automation, as you can see, and that is a Butler feature. Okay, so just click on add button, and then once you click on add button, you can see the buttons that can be added, which include move the card to, copy card to, add label, join card, set due dates, mark due dates, remove sort list, create a custom button, or etc. All of these are the features of Butler. So you can just go ahead and try it out so that you can carry out whatever you have to carry out. Also, the option integrating apps is under the Butler feature. And then to integrate apps, the major thing to do after selecting a board and clicking on the card, move to the left side again, and then you can see the option add power ups. Just click on power ups and then you wait for the power up box or window to be displayed. Once that is displayed, you can see a list of power ups here. And the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see the search box and then type out the power up that you would like to integrate to your accounts. But majorly, since you are dealing with the Butler feature, you work majorly with automation. As you can see, automation is located under analytics and reporting. After clicking on automation, you will see all of the about us brought to you will be majorly automation, and then you can just add this to your account to enhance your account further. So these are the basic ways of how we can use the Butler automation feature on your Trello account. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.